What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today I have a new dance tutorial for you. Okay, so the title of the song is called Rare by Selena Gomez. Okay, so let's go to the studio and start. Alright, let's start. So walk to the front, 1, snap on 2, continue walk to 3, put your weight to your right, 4, rotate on 5, 6, 7, grab on 8. One more time, it's easy as that, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this one you can just, oh, don't make sounds, okay? Oh, 7, grab on 8. Good job. Next, you're not looking at the mirror. Well, you look at me because you cannot catch it. So 7, 8. So right knee, 7, 7, 8. You're gonna go 1, 2. One more time. I forgot to count. 7, 8. 1, 2. Then back on 3. Look to the mirror on 4. 4. Sharp. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Look on 4. Sharp. So you can flip your hair. 3, 4. Sorry. So next from here, look on 4. Then use your hips to the front, going to the mirror. 5, 6. Okay. So 5, 6 double and 7. Lift on 8. One more time. So 7, 8. Go 1, 2, back on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. You need to jump. Okay? One more time. Let's do it from the beginning. Let me know. It's 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Look. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Let your hand can just. Okay? Good job. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Look. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Okay, next. So from here, 6, 7, 8. Go. Your weight, you're gonna go circle. 1, 2, close, 3, on 4. Grab. This is quick. The moment you close, 3, 4, and 5. Sit. And 6. Isolation 7. Cross on 8. This is Wonder Woman. Shoo! Yeah. I'm so gay. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Cross. Okay? Let's start from the beginning. 3 8s. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Yes. Good job. So next, from here, from cross. You're gonna go. Hold your hands, circle. 1, 2, 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Hit your shoulder. 5 and 6. Stay. And 6. You're gonna hit set. Then drop, sit on 8. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Just drop your shoulder also. Actually, this one is a clothes. But I understand that everybody is wearing long clothes. It's hard to do it. Right? Or that's right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder and 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's start from the beginning. Question. No, okay. From the beginning, for 8, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, stop. 5, 6, grab 8, 1, 2, back 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, again, 4, sorry. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, lower, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, isolation, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Perfect. So we go from here. So 7 and 8. So this one we have bass. Boom, boom, like that. So quick. 1, hard. 1, chest. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's fast. Got it? One more time. So 7, drop on 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, chest, white chest. 7, 8. So when you open it, 7, your hips go to your right. When you drop your right, go to your left. 7, and 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and yes. Stop. Oh. 7, 8, lower, center, look. 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, isolation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly set. Here we go. 1, chest, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Good job. Alright, next. So 7 and 8. From here, we're gonna put it down 4 counts. Slowly 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Simple as that. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. Half. 7, 8. Good. That's right. Let's combine from here. So it goes like this. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4 shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, right, 7, 8. Good job. From the beginning. High five. No? Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. Low. Center. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Shoulder. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay, last one. Last 2 8s. So we end up hips 7, 8. So this one step right. 1, 2, cross 3, and 4. Change weight on 5. Touch on 6, 7. Click on 8. Continue 1. Prepare turn. 3, 4. It's your left. Turn 5, 6, and the last 2 8s, anything. 7, 8. It's moving. Okay? So you can do 7, 8. Or 7, 8. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7. Click 1, 2, 3, 4. Look there. Start out 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Good job. Finish. So let's start from the beginning. All of it. Alright? 8, 8. Here we go. 5. We do it slowly. 5, 6, 7, and wait. No, let's say finish. They all smile. You can see the eyes. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 5, 6, 7. Grab. 1, 2, 3. Look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders, 6, hips, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on my video. Okay? Wow, that's noisy. Sorry about that. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye bye.